Want to make money online without wasting time or needing skills? These AI tools can start you cash fast right from your laptop. Looking to make fast money online in 2025? AI is making it easier than ever. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parents, or just tired of the 9-to-5 grind, these tools can help you start today, with $0 and no experience needed. Let's dive in. First up, we've got ChatGPT. You can offer writing services like blog posts, product descriptions, or resumes on Fiverr, and use ChatGPT to deliver results fast. You don't need to be a writer, just copy, tweak, and deliver. This is about working smarter, not harder, and ChatGPT is the ultimate tool to help you do just that. 2. Now let's talk passive income. Canva AI tools. Design ebooks, planners, or Instagram templates in minutes using Canva's AI-powered templates. Once you've created your digital masterpiece, start selling on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Create the product once and you can sell it over and over again without any extra effort. No design skills? No problem. So what are you waiting for? Start building that passive income stream you've always dreamed of. 3. Want to build passive income on YouTube without showing your face? Use Pictory to turn text into videos with voiceover, visuals, and subtitles, perfect for YouTube automation or interesting Wikipedia entries, all without filming anything yourself. So ditch those camera nerves and start building your faceless YouTube empire with Pictory. 4. Durable AI, website builder in 60 seconds. Durable let you launch a side hustle website, like cleaning, pet walking, or coaching. This AI-powered platform lets you build a professional website for your side hustle in under 60 seconds. Just answer a few questions about your business and boom, you've got a website. You can get local clients fast and start earning right away. Turn that side hustle dream into a reality with Durable and start building a business you can be proud of. 5. Tidio or Manychat for auto customer service. These platforms let you create intelligent chatbots that handle customer interactions, from answering FAQs to processing orders. Set them up on your website or social media pages to work 24/7, providing instant support to your customers. You can even offer chatbot setup as a service to other businesses, charging a premium for your expertise. Embrace the future of automation with Tidio and Manychat. Your customers and your sanity will thank you for it. AI is changing the game. That can have you making money online faster than you ever thought possible. AI is leveling the playing field, giving everyone the opportunity to build a successful online business. You don't need a fancy degree or a ton of money to invest, just a willingness to learn, a bit of hustle, and the right tools. Pick one of these AI tools, take action, and start building the online income of your dreams. Hit that subscribe button for more money-making tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try.